Thank you for choosing our product. Over the next few minutes, we'll guide you through the installation process and anti-tampering feature. This alarm has won multiple international awards thanks to its elegant and minimalist design. With an ultra-slim profile of just 0.9 inches, it not only looks sleek, but also fits seamlessly into any space. And beyond its appearance, it delivers powerful features for reliable protection. Now let's take a look at how quick and easy it is to install. Place the mounting bracket at the desired location and mark the holes. Drill the holes, insert the plugs, and fix the bracket with screws. Finally, rotate the alarm clockwise onto the bracket to finish the installation. The anti-tampering feature prevents disabling or removal, ensuring the smoke alarm stays active, especially important in rentals, dorms, public buildings, or homes with kids. To enable this feature, first locate the small post on the bracket, marked on the edge of the back plate. Then, use pliers or a similar tool to cut it off. Finally, rotate the alarm clockwise onto the bracket to complete the setup. To remove the alarm, insert a tool, such as a screwdriver, into the hole near the mark. Then, rotate the alarm counterclockwise to release it from the bracket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You're now fully equipped to use your alarm with confidence. Should you have any questions, our customer support team is always here to help. May it stand guard over your family's safety, providing peace of mind for all the years to come.